See, Tiano. That one is gonna be very interesting. This one is gonna be very interesting. Time to go in. Oh. Ready? You're in? Take your time. Alrighty. Ah, Jesus. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Ready again? Ready again to the next one. Thank you. Wow. Here we go. Lot of mercy. Wow.
Sorry, buddy.
We're going up. We go. Woo! Thank you for the thumbs up. I don't like me to take off my hat because the one and I go in well. Alrighty. God Almighty. Welcome in, guys. Ooh, ooh. Oh, what is it? Oh, what is it? Hey, on Tawagwan, you ready? Here we go. God Almighty. Me nervous. Me nervous. Ah, Jesus. The one here I go. The one here I go different. Guys, we know say we are going to join. We are going to join in this. We can't manage. Hi. All right, I'm ready. Everybody, make sure you know. Make sure that got one thumbs up. Thank you, Unta. We not drop me selling mo, we can't swim, you know, Unta. And that I think, you know, we can't swim, so you know it come down. Lord of mercy, me nervous. Here we go, guys. Wow. Alrighty. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Thank you. No.
Go ahead, guys. Sit on the edge, swing your feet over. Abandon ship.
Okay.
Everyone all together.
Wow. Guys! Minute already pinat a while ago. Do you remember someone who can watch the live replay here? Let's see every. Have everything? Wow. Yeah, that one in mine. Mr. Guys, everything left me. Everything left me. Hat, shoes. They never ready. On Tami. We're taking the whole world. On Tami, never ready. Mr. Me never ready, none at all. I take in the whole of water. No water, no left. No, sir. I need to get myself together. I need a break. I need a break for you. That one day different door. Yeah, that one they did different. Me like it. You don't like it? You like it? Right, guys, me open it. Enjoy myself. Me take out a case when I get a bit of view now. Because I have to put in my water case before. God almighty, me say amount of water me take in. Alright, you can see look better now. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. No, sir. The amount of water me take in no normal. Me never ready for that one day. Right now, I feel like I just time for going to lazy river normal out because I can't manage nothing after that. And I say, hey, you see, you post them. Tell me, say. You post them and tell me. Say you know. Auntie, you did not say that. You did not say that. Me post and tell us I'm enough for throw. No, I have to do better. Auntie, you have to go down. You have to go down. It's the audacity for me. Wow. One thing in a man, it should hurt, you know. That one they clap me though. You clap me. That one they healthy man. Healthy bad. I say me out here, me a tremble like a leaf. Cause you know once the sun gone down, a time to go me now. Anytime the sun gone down, remember say, a time to go. Yeah, man. Pick up yourself, Hunter. Yeah, man. Anytime the sun gone down, I eat that, man. Guys, I beach. You don't want to reach, but I can't reach the beach. So you reach the next best thing right now. You understand? We did another water slide earlier. I post the live replay, so if you guys want, you can go to the channel and watch that. Why? I saw the whole water for days. Right now, I feel like say my whole body full of water. I'm heavy. I put on like about 20 pounds of water by itself right now. I not ask. Watch nice sun, guys. This nice door. A fake sun, you know. A fake sun, but you know we have to work with it right now. Thank you for the thumbs up. Who thumbs up the live? Thank you. And we are going to wave pool right now. Jack Daniels, big up yourself. I love your name. Are your name for me? Avawazi? Thank you. Yes, I am. It's my same name, Hunter. It's my same name. Big up on yourself. Follow, like, subscribe, share. Thank you. Guys, me have to hang on the phone out here so you know wave pool. So me if me have a Lego phone I do me na this. Una ready? What going Louis? Ready for the wave pool? Water wash me because you know say me light. You know say me light already. Big up yourself, you know. We Ratonga. What name do? I can't. Your government name. You really put my YouTube. You have to fix it. You have to fix it, man. So right now, Lindo, thank you. I appreciate the subscription. Big up yourself. Massive big up. Thank you. Yeah, guys, we're live every Sunday. You know, we're bringing them outside, making them do some fun activities. You understand? So this week we did a Typhoon Lagoon water park. So I can almost done and we not get local water in our system. You understand? Right now I sold about a pound of water I sold a while ago. So I get enough. But the point is, alright guys, see we are murder! Look. You reach. Jesus Christ! Me have to turn up firm like Gideon. Me know what? Wow! See there? Turn up firm. We barely get nothing after this. We barely get whee! Yeah man. I have to speed that. Right there so me a turn. I can't go no further. If me ever go no further I eat that. What would I picture over I see? Current too strong man. But yeah, that did nice. Pally! Pally girl! Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Pally. Welcome in. Tink. Welcome in. Welcome back. Yeah, so we're planning that wave. We're planning that wave. We're at the wave pool right now. I can't really go no further because you see if me ever go up look further and the wave get too strong, it's going to turn me over. Remember say me very light. So I know my limit. You understand? So we are going to just stay in our lane, okay? Let's do that. Thank you. Yes. Big up on yourself, guys. The food is so not taste bad. It's nice. I go drop a vlog tonight. The food and what else me do? Me do one other ride and some other little things. I tour our entrance and them little thing there. So I go drop that vlog there so you just can check that out. So anything you like. Alright guys, see we are. Let me zoom in powder. Woo! In the building. Big up yourself, you know, Pally girl. Thank you so much for the one that look high though. The guys the one you high man. I feel like I have to ease back a little bit. Hold on, the one you're too strong. The one you're too strong, guys. Wee, me bro. Yeah, man. Are we that? The one they're very healthy. The one they're healthy, guys. Big up on yourself, guys. And I want to tell you guys thank you because lately when you guys are choosing the food, I notice you guys are choosing only one plate and I appreciate that. Before in the past, I used to choose plate 1, 2, 3, or 4 and I never appreciate that because as you guys know we're on a budget and we have to share with everyone. So thank you. We choose one. You like the fruits? Yeah, man. With this, this is Typhoon Lagoon water park. It's nice. We just done do some water slide. God Almighty, I'll know me swallow how much water. Me swallow how much water, right? Now me just go on normal out. Yeah, that me I do right now. But yeah guys, big up on yourself. May have the live replay for the other one them. You can check out my page. Subscribe if you haven't as yet. Thank you. Turn on the bell so you get notified when me I do something else. Okay? Alright, see it you know. One more. See it you know. Watch it from OTRS. Big up yourself, Nick. Jesus Christ, you got the one the eye. I am mighty. Big up yourself, Nick. Murder. Why? That one they nice. Thank you for the thumbs up. Appreciate the like. That one they nice though. I like that one there. I like that one there. It have a buzz. Thank you, guys. I know say that we don't know, you know, I really love the excitement. Maybe ever tell you say me I'll go in a one ride now. Over here full. That we don't know. Over here full. But yeah guys, do remember to turn on the bell. Alright? Me I go move around and thing, you know, you see? Yeah, this nice thing, look on this view, yeah. On the view, yeah. Nice. We should link up in Jamaica. Why? Me no one real smarty, you know. I just social media me depend. Me not really in a real life. Yeah, I'm not a real person. I'm just on social media. I like these guys. Them have a look at chair where you can just sit down and dabble out right there, so and thing. Pretty cool. But I love this though. I like this a lot. Okay guys, big up on yourself. Love and love alone. Turn on the bell. And look up me, I'm gonna drop a vlog later. Alright? And thank you guys so much for supporting my channel always. Watching my videos. Everybody will participate in all the polls them. Everybody will comment on the food them, the traveling, the life. We just have people all about for everything. Everywhere. Everywhere. So yeah man, big up on yourself here. Love and love alone every time. Okay? Have a great day. Bye.